Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Rat infestation is one of the worst problems that you can get in an EV because it involves high voltage wires. Everything is controlled electronically, so rats can actually become a huge problem. In this video, I'm going to tell you some tips you can actually use to save your car from rats, and it can actually save you loads of money. So personally, I parked the car in a driveway and it actually does not have a problem of rats. But if you live in apartments or you have that basement parkings where rats are pretty common, then you should definitely watch this video. Also, we're really close to 1,000 subscribers, so please consider hitting that subscribe button. A lot of interesting content is coming up on the channel. I'm going to cover more cars, more reviews, more features. A lot of interesting content is coming up. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Without any delay, let's jump into this video. Now, the first and the easiest solution is a rat repellent spray. But where do you actually spray it? So, first, when you turn your wheels, you actually see in here that this can actually become a common access point for rats. They can easily climb inside, and that gives them the access to all your wires. I'm not going to tell you to remove any parts in this video. You do not have to do anything hard. I'm not going to tell you to unscrew the frunk because obviously that is not practical. So just turn your wheel to one side, and then you'll see inside that you see a lot of wiring. Just spray a small amount under there so that it can actually repel the rats. Similarly, on the other side as well, and even near the rear wheels. Now, since these EVs are rear wheel drive, they have the motor here. So I wouldn't recommend that you go too much around here, but just a little bit on the outside. Next, when you open the frunk, you actually have this plastic part. Now, of course, you could easily unscrew these, but come on, that's not what we're going to do on weekends, are we? So when you open the frunk, you actually see that from here you can actually see inside some wiring. So now, of course, even if a rat enters your frunk, how is he going to get inside? These are the points, right? He is either going to go in through here or squeeze in from somewhere. So only the points that you can see are the points that you can spray. Even if you look here, so under here and this side as well. The next tip, definitely try to park your car at places that are clean, that do not have dirt, that do not have a breeding ground for rats. So keep it clean. Park it in a dedicated parking spot if you can. That will actually save you loads of money. There is another thing that you get that is actually a metal cover that just you keep right around the car. It is actually like a cover that is definitely going to take a lot of time if this is your daily driver. But if you're going to keep the car parked for some days and you're leaving somewhere, then you can get that, and it actually covers your entire car up till this height. Approximately this height, and rats cannot climb that wall, and it can protect it from rats. If this video helped you, then please give it a like, subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. A lot of interesting content, as I said, is coming up. I'm thinking of starting lifestyle videos as well. There are going to be weekly live streams really soon where you can ask me live questions. I'm trying to cover more cars as well. I'm getting in touch with dealers, I'm getting in touch with owners. So there's a lot coming through. Please subscribe to the channel, support it. Thank you so much for all the love so far. It really means a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.